There is another Apple product coming to the family. So these earphones can work with one charging for up to 6 hours, which is good. The tech giant NVIDIA is opening a tech office in Armenia, and everyone is talking about this in the tech industry right now. Hey guys, I'm Narine and I'm ready to discover with you my new AirPods of 3rd generation. To speak the truth, by this moment I was using this kind of stuff, headphones. Some old school ones. This one is Samsung and this one is an Apple, but you know how old it is. I'm not sure how comfortable AirPods will be for my ears, but I have to try at least, and here it is, the box. So it came from the official store of Apple, the US store, and then it was delivered to Armenia, to me. I opened this box, but I didn't open this one. We will do it together today. Honestly, it was a hard decision to choose between AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro versions. Both are really good, but after watching dozens of reviews, I understood that this one is a good option for me. Why? First of all, the price. If the AirPods Pro costed around $250, this one costs $179. And there are not so many differences, I would say. Also, according to reviews, this one is more comfortable for ear. Finally, let's open this box and see why they are unique. So, I love this sound so much. It means there is another Apple product coming to the family. So, welcome home, dear. Look at them. So now I have my personalized Apple AirPods with my name and surname on it. There is a secret here. If you are buying an AirPod from the official website of the Apple, you can choose the option of free engraving. And here they can write whatever you want. Looks so professional. I would say they are comfortable for the ear. At least I hope I will not lose it when walking. They are not big, they are not small, they are the exact size. So these earphones can work with one charging for up to 6 hours, which is good. So you don't have to worry about their battery. But you must always keep in mind that you have this stuff in your ear while walking, and be attentive. The test was successful by 60%. I already showed you the free engraving. I showed you how they look. Also, which is very good, that there is a cable here. I was thinking that they will not put any cable because year by year Apple is decreasing the number of items in its product boxes. But this was not the case, and yeah, at least there is a cable here, thank you. This is white, and of course it's going to get dirty, it's going to get damaged, and there are plenty of this kind of covers for AirPods in the market. I ordered this one from Amazon, it was like $5. Yeah, and I'm going to put my beautiful cover here. I'm not sure that I'm doing everything correctly, but it has to work. Okay. I guess something is, or it should be like this. I'm not sure if I got the wrong model or something, but I have to figure out why it looks like this. This was all about the AirPods. This video is not ending like this, and I have prepared more content for you on technology because I promised that this vlog will be all about technology. And right now we are going together to the TUMO Center for Creative Technologies in Yerevan, Armenia, to welcome NVIDIA, the tech giant, which has just opened an office in Armenia and currently has more than 90 vacancies for developers. I have been present at their first event in Yerevan and prepared a small video for you, so enjoy it. There will be more technology content in this channel, along with travel vlogs, of course, because travel is my passion. But technology is my passion too, because I am a tech journalist. I have worked in the sphere for the last 9 years, and I'm really super excited to record videos on technology, to do some gadget reviews, to go to tech events and bring all this information and content to you. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, but right now let's go to the NVIDIA opening event in Yerevan and see why it is so interesting. Thanks for watching this vlog and see you soon. This is great news. The tech giant NVIDIA is opening a tech office in Armenia, and everyone is talking about this in the tech industry right now. Currently, their first public event at Timo Center for Creative Technologies is being held, and there are around 500 people, I think, here. Of course, I may be mistaken in my calculations, but there are so many people that I'm even afraid to walk into the crowd right now. At this moment, when I'm recording this video, there are 95 positions available to apply for the Armenian office. Hurry up and become the member of the NVIDIA Armenia team as soon as possible. So let's go inside and see what NVIDIA is here for and what it has to offer to Armenia and the Armenian developers.
My hope is to make this office as big as possible, and I have the directive directly from Jensen to make it as big as possible. We're going all in. In general, we are expanding NVIDIA everywhere globally. We're hiring at an extremely rapid rate. We have to meet all the things that NVIDIA is in. So we're looking for talent wherever it is. So wherever we can find it, we're going to hire them, and that includes Armenia. What we managed to do is come up with a set of algorithms, a system to construct worlds out of just ideas that we could then run through this machine that will predict what the next step, next thing that happens, given the world that you've created. That's our simulators. You can apply that same machine, that mechanism, to virtually any application, to virtually any domain. You might want to predict things like, what will the climate be like on Earth 5 years from now? Or you might want to predict what will happen if this robot grabs this object with this amount of strength. Will it crush that box, or will it be able to grab it correctly or drop it? There are many applications, from robotics and self-driving cars to designing buildings and bridges that all benefit from the idea of simulation. We built this because this kind of simulation essentially gives us superpowers. Where you like, essentially we get the superpower of teleportation. You can move to any part of that world. And if you do it close enough, it's no different than actually doing it in the real world. And if you can predict the future, then you can essentially do time travel. We can teleport to any part of the world, and we can travel into the future. But more importantly, we can explore many possible futures. We can test them out. We can say, what if I designed this building in a million different ways? We can change all of the parameters of the building to find the one that's going to be the most energy efficient. Because I happen to be the one that's coming to Armenia first, I'm going to be hiring for these positions inside Omniverse and simulation first. So hopefully some of you are interested in that and will come join us. Early on, when I joined NVIDIA, I moved to Moscow and I helped open the Russian office there. Since then, we've opened the Zurich office, St. Louis, Toronto, more recently New Zealand. I've been waiting for many years for the right time to open an office here. Because personally, I'm Armenian, and I knew that the talent and the capabilities are here. We just needed to find the right moment and wrangle it together.
People are networking in parallel with the official part and the presentations.
Next to him we can fly at the speed of light. Actual words and digital dreams can do everything we are spending. We can change the universe in one.